Good morning, everyone!
Big delivery day today.
Let me get the gears! Chores take forever! I'll build a robot!
Hello, Sunny.
You're alive!
Amazing! Ooh.
Searching for more chores.
Go ahead.
Who cleaned my yard?
I didn't ask for this!
Hey! Those weren't dry yet! Cleaning complete.
Stop! No!
No!
Robot, stop!
Cannot stop. Chores remain.
Where is it? Where is it?
Good boy, Biscuit! The stop button is behind its left ear!
I'm catching up!
Over here!
Go, Biscuit!
Almost there. Mission complete.
Let's keep robots under control next time.
Machines can help, but responsibility starts with us.
From now on, I'll do my own chores!
The best helper is a responsible heart.